How to create a Microsoft account. Setting up a Microsoft account gives you access to various Microsoft services and devices, such as OneDrive, Xbox Live, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create a Microsoft account. First, go to account.microsoft.com or click on the link in the video description below. Now click on Sign In and then select Create One. You can either make a new email address for your account or use one you already have. If you want a new email address, click on Get a new email address. Enter a new email address. Now choose a strong password to secure your account. Click on Next. Now solve the captcha. Your Microsoft account is ready to use. You can click on Your Info in the left-hand side menu to add your photo to Microsoft account or any other personal information you want to update. Once all done, click on the dotted box in the top left corner. Click on Outlook. As you can see, your new Microsoft account is ready to send or receive emails. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.